Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Techademy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the Gmail application into dark mode. So let's get started right away. Now, if you have already installed the Gmail application, just go ahead and open it up. Now, once you open it, if you have already signed into your account, you will be taken into your inbox. Otherwise, you will need to use your credentials to log in. Once you are inside your inbox page, click on the menu icon at the top left corner and then scroll down and tap on Settings. From the Settings menu, tap on General Settings and now you will find the theme option. Just tap on this and you have the various options to select between light and dark mode. Just tap on whichever theme you want and it will directly set your Gmail application into the selected theme. If you choose System Default, then it will follow whichever mode you have set up on your phone. So just choose dark mode if you wish to set up dark mode and it will immediately be applied to your application. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on using dark mode within the Gmail application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.